going on, my YouTube family? I got a big flex for you. On this. Please do not tear me up on the comments. What I'm showing you is solely just because it looks cool. I'm not saying the front like you're something you're not. I'm just saying, hey, I'm just showing you guys what you can do to change your car. The car is pretty much a computer, and they put the same computer in every car, and they just program what they want you to see. So I'm getting ready to show you right now how you can change your display so you can look cool and not just see a boring Audi logo. You can see S5, you can see RS5. So let's get straight to the point. Here we go. Swipe. If you didn't watch my other video on how to get to the green screen, look at the link above and you can see how to get to the green screen. So I'm going to go ahead and get to the green screen on this platform. So I'm going to hold down these two buttons. So I'm on my green screen. So now that I'm on my green screen, I'm going to go to car. I'm going to go to car coding. That's going to be car coding. So now that I'm on car coding, all I do is I come right here. As you can see, this is going to be my vehicle make and model. So I put it on RS, but as you can see, you can change it from S model, S line model, the standard with just the Audi logo. So check it out, S line, S model, RS model. So of course, I'm putting mine on RS model just to show you guys how it looks. So I'm just going to press OK for RS model. All right, so this is what I'm talking about. You can change anything in your car. You can change the language, anything in this green screen. So I'm going to go ahead and press return just to exit out. All right, so I'm exiting out of that. So now that I'm exiting out, I'm just going to just press media to exit out. Okay, so now that I'm exiting out, I'm just going to go ahead and turn it off so to show you guys. So look at that.
Bop, boom, pow.
Audi multimedia interface RS. So if you have the electronic display on your steering wheel, same thing. It's going to represent RS on your vehicle, S line on your vehicle, S5 on your vehicle. I think this is cool as hell. It gives you a nice little spunk to your car. Like I said, to each his own. I'm just showing you guys you can do what you want with it. Don't roast me for this. I think it's cool. I have it on my car. So yeah, that's pretty much how you change the interface display, let alone so many other things you can change. If you guys are curious about what you can change to your vehicle, go ahead and just put it in the comments and I'll do a video on what you can change, or I'll respond back in a comment. So yeah, it's basically the same car. You know, it's just coded on what they want for you. So if you have electric mirrors, you can have them fold by themselves. There's so many things you can do and unlock on your car.